What's going on, everybody? Jason from Chicago Auto Pros. We're going to be trying out a new product today. This is a black paint protection film. It's called DYNOblack from STEK. We have this Nissan 370Z. We put black gloss vinyl over this a few months ago. Black vinyl on a car, it's great. It gives it a kind of an accent. You can do it on roofs, you can do it on hoods, side mirrors, B-pillars, door handles, and it gives it a unique, customized look. A little different from the other cars out there. What I don't like about vinyl though is it doesn't exactly look like a painted surface. It doesn't have that depth or gloss that paint has. It looks great from 5 feet away, but you get a couple feet away from it and you can see all the texture and all the imperfections in the film, and it just doesn't look great. So what I'm hoping to accomplish with this black paint protection film is a few things. One, it's thicker. It's gonna have more protection to it. Black vinyl is about 4 mils thick, where this paint protection film is gonna be 8 mils thick. Two, it's gonna be glossier. When you're working with vinyl, it can scratch real easy, even when you're putting the install on. So if you look really close here, you can see some small, fine scratches and swirl marks, and you can't polish those out of film. What's nice about the black paint protection film is that it has a top coat self-healing layer. So any of those small scratches or swirls will be healed with heat or the sun or hot water. The DYNOblack is also going to have a lot more depth and gloss and shine to it. I think it's going to look more like a painted surface. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off this old vinyl film and we're going to replace it with the black paint protection film. See if we can get a lot better look out of this. Got done with the installation of the black DYNOblack paint protection film and I'm blown away. It looks absolutely amazing. The depth is there, the shine is there. It looks like a painted surface, but it is a film on there. This film's gonna have a 7-year warranty. It has a self-healing top coat. We're almost finished, we gotta do the antenna. We're not sure if we're gonna be able to do the antenna in the paint protection film. Might have to get it painted and put it on there, but we'll try to wrap it. We might have to just 2-piece it. But it looks absolutely amazing. I'm blown away. If you're looking to put this film on your car, you can go to STEK's website. They're gonna have installers all across the country. If you're in the Chicago area, you can give us a call or you can go to our website, contact us for them, and we'll get you information on pricing for that. But beautiful.